Hi everyone, I'm Devon Andrews. I'm the Community Engagement Manager for Charleston County Public Library. And this is my wonderful assistant, Elliot! And we are going to make some fall treats today.
Kaya was in the dorm outside, but then I let her in.
You're very nice and good and helpful. So we're going to make two things that are kind of similar. We're going to make donut hole acorns and donut spiders. So both things involve, of course, donuts in some form or fashion and pretzels, and we'll use chocolate icing in both. So this is very exciting. Should we make the spiders first or the acorns first?
Spiders.
Spiders? Okay. So watch what I do and then you'll make one too. So we've got some chocolate mini donuts, and we're gonna use regular pretzels. And we need 4 pretzels. Will you get 4 pretzels for me?
1. Are we gonna put the pretzels on our plate?
You can for now.
2. 3. 4. 1. I think this one's stuck.
It's stuck.
But I need to pull it. See?
Okay, good
Can
work.
I have one pretzel, please?
Yes, why don't you eat this pretzel?
Oh, yeah, thank you.
You're very welcome. And while you're eating that, I'm gonna cut these. And I'm just gonna cut the curved parts off because that's gonna be our spider legs. So I'll show you what I mean. Let's see. So we've got 2 curved pieces. So set these aside. And let me do the same with these other pretzels. So just cutting.
Look, I made spider legs.
You did?
No, I made ram legs.
That's another way to do it, right? If you don't have a knife, or if you want the kid to do it themselves, just have them take bites out of it to make spider legs.
And I made spider legs.
I know, you're so helpful.
I made 2, right?
Yep. Do you know how many legs spiders have?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yep, 7 legs.
No, you're almost there. They have 8 legs. You were so close. I thought you were just about to say it. Spiders have 8 legs.
1, 2.
So let's see if we have enough.
They have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
So let's see if we have enough legs. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we're gonna take our donut and take our spiders and gently push them in there. We don't wanna break the donut or the pretzels. This is gonna be really cool.
Okay, I have 1 donut.
But then, what will we use for our recipe?
Like,
Hey, did you eat one of the spider legs?
no.
Did you? I thought we had 8. And now somehow we have 7. I'm gonna have to keep an eye on you, kid. Let's see.
I have one donut.
Okay, you can have 1 donut. That's it. We gotta make our recipe. How are the kids at home gonna learn how to make spiders if you eat all the donuts?
I'll eat 1 donut. Only this donut.
Okay. Let me put 1 more leg in here. Looks pretty cool so far, right? Okay, and then we need eyes, right? What color? So we're gonna use M&Ms for the eyes. What color eyes should we use?
Red.
Red eyes? Cool. Okay, so to make them stick, we've got a little bit of chocolate icing. What are you doing? So I'm gonna put a little bit of icing on the other side of the M&M. You wanna stick it on there? Yeah, let's stick it where I would go.
You can go for it.
Let's see. And then we'll put some on the other side.
Mom, you know why my shirt like
We'll get all cleaned up after. And we made
a spider.
a spider.
Eee!
Should we make another one?
Yep.
Okay. So let me cut the spider legs. Now we've got a spooky fall treat that we can make pretty easily, and the kids at home can help with too. Let's see.
Want my hand off?
Hold on a second. Okay. Do you want to try to put the legs in this donut?
Yep.
Okay, be gentle. So you don't break, just poke them in there like that. So you don't break the pretzel or the donut. Good job. Where's that next one gonna go? And what color eyes should this spider have?
Orange.
Orange? Okay.
I would find 2 orange ones.
Okay. Let's grab 2 orange M&Ms. And then...
I don't want to stick the orange M&M on there. You stick them
You want me
on.
to do that part?
But they're too chocolatey. They will make my hands extra dirty.
Okay, I'll do it. It's extra chocolatey. Wow, check it out. Pretty cool. There's our orange-eyed spider.
Mom, I'm going to make 3 spiders for a recipe.
Okay, we'll make one more spider and then we'll show you the donuts. I mean the donuts. The acorns. It's all donuts. Okay. So how many legs do we need again?
8.
Right.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Right, because spiders have 8 legs.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
I'll give you the legs and you start sticking those in there.
Ouch. I think I broke the pretzel.
That's okay.
We can leave this pretzel for this one.
Yeah, it'll just have 2 little short legs. It's not a big deal. We've got plenty of pretzels.
I'm gonna make 2 spiders for this one.
Okay.
I want this spider to have green eyes.
Green eyes, like you.
Again, this pretzel.
You want me to help with that one? Okay.
Oh, one of our arms fell off.
That's okay. There you go, and put that last one in there, and we'll give him his green eyes.
Mom, I want to give him it. I think you can give it to him.
Okay, I'm gonna move this back a little bit so we've got more space for his beautiful eyes. Okay, and a little bit of chocolate icing here, a little bit of chocolate icing here, and
Bullseye!
bullseye, a green-eyed spider. Let's put him over here with his buddies.
He had 3 friends.
Yeah.
He had because I wanted to make 3 spiders and we already made 3 spiders.
We did it. Now let's make our acorns.
Okay.
So, for these you need donut holes. So I got regular glaze. I think chocolate would look cool too.
I just smell them, right?
Okay. And these are going to be even easier than...
Smells yummy.
Yeah, even easier than the spiders were. And those were pretty easy. So, this is what we're going to do. Let me show you what to do and then you can help me make them.
I'm going to have one.
So, we've got our donut hole. We're going to put...
I want one pretzel.
Spread some, this is gonna be the cap, the acorn cap. Spread some chocolate icing just around like the first top third of the donut hole. Easy. And then we've got some broken toffee pieces. So they sell these in the baking aisle.
I'm just looking at the spiders.
With the chocolate chips and the coconut and the other baking goods. So they're just crumbled toffee pieces and we're gonna roll the icing part in there. And then for the stem, I just took a pretzel stick and broke it in half.
Mom can...
And there, It's our little acorn.
Aww.
Aww. Now you try it.
Okay, get peanut butter on the spoon.
It's icing. But I guess peanut butter could work too, right? I don't like peanut butter as much as I like icing. But peanut butter would probably be a good way to try it. Good. So you just put it, yeah, like a little hat. Like a little chocolate hat.
Okay, did it.
Okay. And roll it in there.
Wow, look.
Yeah. And then
I need a pretzel.
yeah, you need a pretzel for your stem and just stick it at the top.
I
You roll mine in the toffee. Let's hold them up side by side. Look how easy and cute those are.
Look how mine is.
Yum. Let's do a couple more.
I'm gonna see one more.
Okay. Oh. Thank you. And I'll do mine.
Look at that. Look what that pretzel did.
Mmm. Let me try mine.
Whoa, look at mine.
They're so cute.
Hello.
Hello, little acorn.
Look what's on my head. A pretzel.
A pretzel's on your head. Should we make one more to eat?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, let's eat this one.
Mom, I'm gonna do it.
Okay. I'm gonna try mine. Okay. Pretzel stems, snap it in half.
Not that many. I picked too many on there, but I don't want too many on there.
Okay, you can knock some off if you want to. I'm gonna try mine though.
Mom, get mine.
What do you mean?
I need a pretzel on its head.
There you go. Okay, we're gonna try it. We're gonna try a tasty acorn.
Yep.
Okay.
Mmm. Mmm.
Mmm.
I ate the thing that you gave me on his head. I ate his pretzel.
That is delicious. Tasty and fun. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys a close-up of our fall treats. But as you can see, it was super easy and super fun and very, very, very tasty. And only a little messy.
Knock, knock.
Who's there?
Elliot.
Elliot who?
Elliot underwear.
Oh, you silly kid. Okay, I'll show you the treats close up. And thanks for hanging out with us. And we'll see you next time. Look at those cool spiders we made.
Knock, knock.
There they are.
Knock, knock.
Let's see. Okay, say bye, everybody.
Bye.